Hi everyone, welcome to my nail channel. I'm so excited to be here. Look at these awesome nails I created. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just showing you guys the nail polishes I will be using for this nail set. It's from the brand Beetles. I got them from Amazon. I'll have everything in the description below so you guys can buy if you guys want. I really like the Beetles gel nail polish. The pink polish I showed is the top coat I will be using. I just wanted to show you guys because it's not part of the Beetles collection that I had gotten. And then here are just the nails that I will be using, which will also be in the description below. So yeah, let's just start with the brown color. It's so pretty. And yeah, I'm just going to be putting this on my thumb, ring finger, and pinky finger. So I'll just let you guys watch. I don't know if I said this in the beginning of the video, but it's my first ever voiceover I've done for a video. So this is new to me. I hope I do this right. Just let me know if you guys like or prefer voiceovers, because I know that sometimes when I watch a YouTuber do their like a nail set, sometimes I don't even have the volume up, so I'm not listening to music or their voice. But sometimes I prefer music, so that's why I did my first video with just music. But I don't mind doing this. This is actually pretty cool because I get to see what I'm doing and explaining at the same time. So this is the nail lamp that I'm going to be using to cure my nails. I have not really looked into getting a newer one, even though I should, because this one it's not like big, so I can't like fit all my fingers. So I want to invest in one. If you guys know of a really good one, then please let me know in the comments, because I do need to invest in a good nail lamp. So as you guys can see here, I'm adding a second coat of nail polish. I will be curing it and adding the top coat from Macart. And I am sorry for the angle that I have the camera in. I did buy a phone holder, or like a camera holder, and a lamp, not a lamp, sorry, a light, so that the videos can look brighter and so I can get a better angle and you guys can see what I'm really doing. Hopefully it's better. I haven't tried it out, so my next video I will be trying it out, so you guys just let me know if you guys like it. Now I'm adding the top coat from Macart on all the nails, and I will be starting after the nail art, which is really why I wanted to do these videos. I wanted to make a channel for like beginners to show that there are certain nail tools that are helpful in creating cute little like flowers or like nail art, and you do not have to be an artist to do them. So yeah, if I can do them, then you guys can too. So yeah, this channel is going to be mostly press on nails, and I do want to try some poly gel because I've bought a kit, but I've never tried the poly gel, and I want to. But for now, I just want to focus on doing press-on nails and showing you guys how I do some nail art. Sorry guys, I am like completely out of frame, but I am just adding here the white gel polish to do my French nail, and I'm still practicing how to do them. I am using the acetone to clean up the line for the French nail. I am going over the line with a brown nail polish, or the same brown nail polish I put on the thumb, ring finger, and pinky nail. Now on the ring finger, I'm putting that nail polish, that glittery, sparkly, beautiful nail polish. It's so gorgeous. I just realized that is not a nail polish from Beetles. It's actually from a brand, I think it's called Mefa, M-E-F-A. And yeah, so it's not Beetles. I'll have it down below. It came in a kit, like a gel polish kit. So yeah, it's not Beetles. I'll have the link down below so you guys can check out that brand as well. I love this nail polish. I do not recommend their top coat, base coat, and the matte coat is alright. But yeah, I just liked this sparkly, glittery, beautiful gel nail polish. Is very gorgeous. So now I am starting the cute little flower design. I love flower designs. I don't know why, I just find it so cute and girly. And this is so easy to make. With this tool especially, it makes it so much easier to do the flowers. So yeah, I'm just adding like 5 dots all around to make the flower, as you guys can see. Look how cute they came out. I'm really happy with how they turned out. I am going to be adding the rhinestones now, but I'm not sure why the camera did not record where or when I placed the rhinestones. I don't know what happened, but yeah, I'm just gluing it or using the top coat that I used for all the nails just to glue the rhinestones. And yeah, here's the finished look. What do you guys think? Wow, I really like how they came out. And look how the sun was just making the rhinestones sparkle. I don't know, I just really like it. So cute. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do my press-on nails. Let me know if you guys want to see anything in specific down below. I am working on a nude press-on nail set, and I hope you guys enjoy it because I like how it's coming out so far. But yeah, any recommendations or suggestions, please let me know down below. See you next time.